different. Okay, now let's have this example. Okay, and okay, so if you look at this example, what we can see here, as I told you, in this simultaneous equations, the important thing is the coefficient. Okay, important thing is this. Can you see they are same, 2 and 4? No, they are not same. Okay, so you are not able to cancel the x variable. Okay, but if you look at here, the coefficient of 4, they are the same. Okay, same in terms of number. Okay, I agree. One of them is the plus and one of them is the minus. Okay, so they are not the same, but in terms of numerical value, they are some same. Okay, so this is what you want. If they are the same and if they are the opposite to each other, then what you can do, as already I have written here, opposite sign, what we have to do, add them. Okay, so directly add them, nothing is to worry, just add them. Okay, so I am writing here again the same question, 2x plus 4y equals to 14, and another one is what, 4x minus 4y equals to 4. Okay, so what you can see here, opposite sign. So whenever you have the opposite sign, just add them, they will get cancel each other. Okay, so 4y and 4y will get cancelled, 2x plus 4y, that is 6x, and here you can see 14 plus 4, that's 18. So from here, it's very clear, x should be 3. And once you solve the value of x, you can take any equation. Let's say you are taking the first equation. So just substitute the value, okay? Now you can substitute this value. So instead of x, you can put 3 and then 4y as it is equals to 14. So what it means, 2 times 3, that means 6 plus 4y equals to 14. It means how much left? 4y equals to 8, and that's why y equals to 2. Okay. 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 I will give you a chance to ask me the question. Okay. Just give me 1 minute so I can complete this. Okay. Let me select one of them. Okay. Okay. Neeraj. Yes. Tell me. Don't say I didn't get it. Okay. Other
I'm
than that,
sorry,
you have to tell.
sorry, I forgot to put my hand down.
Okay. No problem. Hex, can you please tell me what is your doubt?
I didn't get it.
Okay, I told you don't say that to me. Okay, nothing is to worry. See, what you can see here, everyone, please listen again. Okay, I am explaining again. I am removing little bit workout so you will get it clearly. Okay, see what here you can see. Here you have the two equations, okay, and you have to find the value of x and y. So how we can figure it out that one? So there is very basic process. First, make the coefficient same. Okay, coefficient, or you can say the first number. Okay, are you getting x? The first number you have to make the same. Okay, if it is already same, then you don't have to do anything. Here you have 4 and here you have 4. This much we can visualize, right? There is no need of anything. You can see these numbers are there. Now you have to think how you can eliminate y. Okay, how you can cancel the y. So it's easy. This is plus 4 and this is minus 4. So if I will add them, what is going to happen? 4y, like we are adding, okay? But ultimately this is going to happen, right? 4y, I can write here, okay? If you are adding, it means what? 4y plus, and there is a minus 4y like this, okay? So these are going to be cancelled only, right? Yeah. So this is going to be 0, okay? Now you have just one variable left, and that is what? Like full equation you are adding, okay? So 2x plus 4y, that is going to be 6x, and 4y minus 4y, that is going to be 0. Now 14 plus 4, that is 18. So x equals to 3. Nothing is to worry. Now just substitute the value of x here. You can take any equation. So substitute the value of x here because you know x, right? If you know the x, you can figure it out what is the value of y. Okay. Get it, x?
Yes.
Tell me yes or no, x. Okay. Tell me one thing. Are you available yesterday?
Chicken wiggle 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 bang.
What? Okay, it's fine. Now I'm going to ask, is there anyone? Okay, keep mute, okay? And okay, it's fine. Now I'm taking new question, okay? Kian, what is your doubt? Tell me.
I don't understand how you eliminate the variable when you explained it earlier.
Okay, and now still you have doubt?
Yeah, I still have a doubt about how to change the variable.
Okay, so like I have explained at least, like I have explained for 2 times, okay? Have you listened me during the explanation? Okay, see, for the third time and the last time for everyone, I am telling you, if you have this, can you see the coefficient are the same, 4x and 4y, I mean 4y and 4y, and they have the opposite sign, plus and minus. So how I can make them 0? They are opposite to each other, so just add them. Once I will add, they are going to be 0 only, right? 2x plus 4x, that is 6x,
I
and
know you
14
can
plus 4,
do
this is 18, okay?
it. I'm using the high five.
Keep
Do you mind
mute,
explaining
everybody.
again?
Okay.
Sorry, sir. Would you mind explaining again, please?
Okay, ma'am. So let's take the new question, okay? Because already 3 times I have explained that, and let's have this question. And this question I will explain, okay? So what, like whoever have the doubt, please listen to me here in this question very carefully, okay? This is for the last time I'm explaining. Like I will explain, but the same question, how many times I can explain, okay? Okay. So now listen to me. Here, what you can see, what are the coefficients? Just write it down here. 6 and 4 you have, right? They are not the same, right? If you want to eliminate, you must have that things the same, okay? So here, if you look at the coefficient of b, that are the same. You have the 1 and 1, right? And now already I told you, if you have the same sign, then you are going to do subtract, okay? Same sign, do the subtract, okay? So what you can see here, plus b plus 1, right? So they have the same sign, so we don't have to worry. Just you can see here 6a plus b equals to 18, and then minus, we are going to do, why we are doing minus? Because as we know, we have the same sign, so we have to subtract, okay? And what's going on here? 6a minus 4a, that's equals to 2a, okay?
Okay. Equals what? 4. So that means coffee got
Okay.
inverse. So that will be
Uh,
that. This will
whose
be
mic is on, please keep, yes, keep mute. Okay, thank you. Okay, so please keep mute, everyone. Okay, 6a minus 4a, that is clearly 2a, right? And now b minus b, okay? Like this way you have to move, okay? b minus b, okay? That is what? 0. Okay, so you don't have anything here. And now 18 minus 4, that means how much? 14. So that's it. Now this equation just converted into very one-step equation. Nothing is there. 2a equals to 14, so that means a equals to 7. Clear. And once you got the value a equals to 7, you can take any equation. Let's say I'm taking the second equation. So what I have, 4a plus b equals to 4, right? So instead of a, I can put here 7. So 4 times 7 and plus b equals to 4, right? So now I can do this. 4 times 7, that is how much? 28, right? And plus b equals to 4. So basically I'm looking for the b. So b is going to be what? 4 minus 28, right? Okay. And that's why b equals to what? B equals to minus 24. Now, is it clear, everyone? Okay, Kaushal, what is your doubt?
so I didn't understand where did 7 times 4 plus b equal to 4, but then you did 48 plus b equal to 4, and then how did you get b equals 4 minus 28?
Okay, have you revised the yesterday's lesson?
Yes. Also,
Then why there is a problem? We are doing subtracting 28 both the sides. So what is going to happen? This 28 will get cancelled, right? Getting?
yes,
Yeah. Okay, so that's basic things like what should be the value of b, so you will get the 4. That is also minus 24 only, right? Now please mute. Okay, thank you, Kaushal. Okay, so now tell me, everybody is fine with this topic, because now we are going to start the practice, okay? Okay, so let's